Hey guys, I'm on my lunch break. I'm in the Target parking lot, but I found some things and I think we should talk about them. I might have enough time. So I got some of these capsules, and the ones that I really want are the banana Bigfoot. I also like the watermelon hippo and the clown. I wouldn't mind the lemon bat either. That one's cute. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I have 5. So I hope that one of these is the Bigfoot. And then I found this one, and you see the symbol on the bottom? I think it might be a secret. I think it might possibly be Stitch or something to do with Lilo and Stitch. Let me get to opening these capsules, and then we'll open the Disney Dorbs if I have more time. Okay, come on. Okay, the first capsule. Oh, we have the milkshake, the strawberry milkshake cow, Rishi. She's really cute. I'm not mad about her, but I really want Bigfoot. Here's her little tag. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Sorry, it's gonna take me a minute to do the little tear strip. I'm not that good at them. Wish I had something like my key. Okay. This one you can kind of see something through the top because it's the yellow capsule. Okay, let's see who we get. No way! Another strawberry cow. Oh no. This is not looking promising. Let's go with green. I thought if I got like different colors, like possibly I would get different ones, but that didn't seem to be the case. Come on, Bigfoot. Okay. Nomi, that's who this is, and it is the banana Bigfoot. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So now I would really like the clown and the hippo, but I'm happy as long as I have this one. Okay, we have 1, 2. So let's hope we get clown and hippo in these 2, or lemon bat. Just no duplicates unless they're the banana Bigfoot. Come on. Sorry guys. I don't know if I can get this one. I'm gonna have to do the purple one first. Okay, I see a little rip. Okay, there we go. So we're hoping for the watermelon hippo or the clown. Oh, we got the lemon bat. I'm not mad about that. She's very cute. She's like my 4th favorite. So there she is, and her name is Yalitza. Okay, let's see if we can get this last one open. We definitely just don't want any repeats. Okay, here we go. Ooh, we're on a time crunch too. Okay, I think it's gonna be the clown. I was right. This is Declan, and he is a little clown boy. He has such a sinister look on his face. So I still kind of want the watermelon hippo, and these are very, very cute. They're a very cute set, so it might be worth it. So we got 2 strawberry cows, the lemon bat, the banana Bigfoot, and the icy clown. Let's see if we got some sort of Stitch as the secret. I'm gonna put these guys all in here so they're nice and safe. And we will go ahead and open this one. I won't be able to take her out of the package, but I'll be able to reveal her because I don't have scissors. Let me get my key to use to open this. Might make it a little easier. Just adds a layer of excitement to our day. Because I'm doing parent-teacher conferences today. And I have an extended lunch break because I have no conferences. So here's this, and we start with side 1. That's this front door here. And we open. This will mostly reveal who we got. Oh, I wonder if this is actually Rapunzel. I just thought it was gonna be like Stitch. Okay. Because it kind of looks like a hibiscus. We will know because we'll get the little minifigure in this one. Wait. These are Stitch shoes. So I think Stitch is going to be one of the secrets. Was that the door I was supposed to open? Yep. Here's 3. Oh my goodness, it's Stitch with an ice cream cone. I have not seen this doll yet, guys. I'm so excited. Here's door number 4. It's a little Stitch purse. And then 5, the tab on top. Yeah, she has to be... Oh, wait. Stitch is not a secret. I really thought the Stitch one was a secret, but I see it up here. So that's her. I really thought she was one of the secret ones. Guess not. But she is super cute. I'll take her out of the plastic so you can see her. She's very cute. Like, look at her hair. Oh, I'm so glad I got to add this one to my collection. I've been looking around at the Targets to try to find as many of these as possible because I want the full collection. She's my 4th one. And I'll get her dressed and put her with my others in a photo for Instagram. Thanks so much for watching this quick car unboxing. Hope to see you with some more videos soon. Stay whimsical. Bye, guys.